विश्वमवाचिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान् नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् गुरुं हि स्वयं सत्यः प्रज्ञाभक्तिविनीतयः नीतिश्चापि व्रताः सत्यं गुरुं प्रणमाम्यहम्। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। So we have covered up to 34. No, 34 is over. So let us start repeating from 30. Pravidheyo vasaha sajjana nikate athava kashyam kah parivaryo deshaha ishunayudo lubdhabhupasya enāśocyah puruṣaḥ प्रणतकलत्रेण धीरविभवेन इह भुवने कष्टोच्यः सत्यविभवेन यो दाता किं लघुताया मूलम् प्राकृतपुरुषेषु या याचना रामादपि कशूरः स्मरचरनिहतो नयश्चलति किमहर्निशमनुचिन्त्यम् भगवत्शरणं न संसारः चक्षुष्मन्तोऽप्यन्धाः के स्युः ये नास्तिकामनुजाः कः पङ्गुरिह प्रथितः व्रजति च यो वार्धकेतीर्थम् किं तीर्थमपि च मुख्यम् चित्तमलं यन्निवर्तयति किं स्मर्तव्यं पुरुषैः हरिनाम सदा न यावनी भाषा
हरिनाम सदा न यावनी भाषा
ओहिनवाच्यः सुधिया परदोषश्चामृतं तद्वत् So this has two questions, 82-83. किं स्मर्तव्यं पुरुषैः हरिनाम सदा न यावनी भाषा। Smartavyam means to be repeatedly thought over. Smartavyam, to be recalled, recounted. So smaranam basically happens after hearing. So initially you observe an event or you hear something, you recall. So that is called smaranam. So smartavyam, so this tavya pratyaya indicates it has to be necessarily done. Now we have shrotavyo, mantavyo, vididhyasitavyo. Okay? So atma vare drashtavyaha. So here, kim smartavyam purushaihi. What is to be repeatedly thought over by people? The answer, he says, Harinama Sada. Sada Smartavyam, Harinama. And the later part he says, Nayavani Bhasha. Bhasha is Bhashyate iti Bhasha. That which is spoken. So Nayavani Bhasha, the word Yavana actually refers to, there are a few references in ancient scriptures. So initially So it referred to a sort of a tribe. I think Greeks have been generally referred to Yavanas. In fact, Varahamihira says, Mlecha Yavanasteshu Samyak Shastramidam Smritam. He uses it. Mlecha Yavanaha. So Yavanaha refers to those who live in a region called Yavana Desha. So it refers to a place. So Greece, Ionia, and later even the reference is to Arabia. So all those regions are referred to as Yavanaha. And Yavanaha, so those who live in Yavana Desha. So Mlechahi Yavanaha. So Mlechaha means Varnashrama Vyavastha Rahitaha. So Yavani Bhasha refers to something which is being spoken of by them. Okay. It is not the language. So it is even that which is spoken in that language. So that kind of a thing is what he referred to. But Smartavyam, here he says, Kim Smartavyam Manupihi Harinama Sada. Sada Harinama. In fact, we have this beautiful verse. Why? Why is he saying? If you recall, we were reading this. Vishnor-nami vapumsaha Samalamapanu punyamutpadayatsa. What are the benefits that are there? It has been beautifully narrated in this verse. Vishnor-namaiva. Harinama is same as Vishnu Nama. Vishnor-namiva pumsaha Samalamapanu punyamutpadayatsa. Brahmadisthana bhogat viratim atha guru shri padadanga bhaktim. Shamalam upon the first thing that it does is, so Papa is gone. So if you remember this, so then, so Papa Nivritti happens. And as a result of chanting, Punya gets accrued. Vishnor-namiva pumsaha Shamalampanudavi punyamutpadayatsa. Then slowly, gradually, Brahmadisthana bhogat viratim atha guru shri padadanga bhaktim. So it fetches this also. Atha guru shri padadanga bhaktim. There is something else. Guru shri padadanga bhaktim. Guru Shri Pradam. Tattvajnanam cha Vishnoho iha. Tattvajnanam cha Vishnoho iha mriti janana bhranti bhijam cha dagdva purnanandika bodhe mahati cha purusham sthapayatva nivrittam. So this is quoted in that introduction. Lakshya Shashti from Matsya Purana. Okay. So Tattvajnanam cha Vishnoho iha mriti janana bhranti bijam cha dagdva. So not only the jnana, but the source, which is the cause for all samsara. So as we see in the sutra, Bhranti Bijancha Dagdva, having burnt that, okay, ultimately Purnanandika Bodhe Mahati. So Purnanandika Bodhe Mahati cha Purusham Sthapayitva Nivrittam. So it takes you till that. So that is why he is saying Kim Smartavyam Purushaihi Harinama Sada. It completely refrains. Na Yavani Bhasha. It's not the sloka Vyavahara. Na Yavani Bhasha. Then he says, Ohinavachya Sudhiya. Sudhihi means an intelligent person, wise person. Okay? Sudhihi. How do you understand? शोभनाधिः यस्य सुधीः शोभनाधिः. So Kohinavachya Sudhiya, what is not to be stated by an intelligent wise person. So there he lists two things. Paradoshaschandritam tadvat. So paresham doshaha paradoshaha. So that is paradoshaha. And andritam tadvat. Andritam is also not to be stated. Andritam is like. Okay. Andritam tadvat. प्रश्न सुकेशा च भारद्वाजः पप्रच्छा भारद्वाजः पप्रच्छा हिरण्यनाभः कौसल्यः मामुपेत्य एतं प्रश्नमपृच्छत. षोडशकलं भारद्वाजपुरुषं वेत्थ. सुकेशाः भारद्वाजा, he just says this is a beautiful thing in Upanishad. So this episode, the importance of that is highlighted there. Andrita Vadanam. Shodashakalam Bharadvaja Purusham Vetha. So somebody comes and asks. So Shodashakala here refers to this Atman. Okay. Shodashakalam Bharadvaja Purusham Vetha. Do you know him? So Tamaham Kumaram Abrabam Nahamimam Veda. I told the person who approached me that I do not know this. Nahamimam Veda. Maybe that fellow would have just, so how come you are listening? How did you not know? So then perhaps the next sentence hints that Yadyahamimam Avedisham Kathame Navakshyamiti. Kathante Navakshyamiti. So it is like this, no? How you should be knowing, can you tell me? So suppose you say, no, I don't know. Okay? No, how come you don't know? So if that fellow were to ask, so then this Rishi says, Yadyahamimam avedisham, if I were to know this, kathante navakshyamiti, how is it that I would not have shared with you? Okay? Then Shruti goes and says, see, Kathante navakshyamiti tamolo va esha parishushyati yo andritam abhivadati tasman narham yandritam vaktum. Samolo va esha parishushyati. Samulaha, adiyoda adiyo. Samulaha means mulena saha nashyati. Samolo va esha parishushyati. Parishushyati means something which is burnt out. Dried out. Samolova esha parishushyati yo andritam abhivadati. Parishushyati is supposed to refer to the vriksha. So it is parishushyati means it is life is gone. Samolova esha parishushyati yo andritam abhivadati. Tasman narham yandritam bhaktum. Therefore I cannot lie. Paradoshascha ritam tadvat. Okay, then read this. Kim smattavyam purushaihi harinama sadanayavani bhasha Kohinavachya Sudhiya Paradoshascha ritam tadvat. Kim sampadyam manujaihi
Kim sampadyam manujaihi Vidya
vittam balam yashah punyam Kasarva guna vinashi Lohaha Shatrushtakaha Kamaha. So this has three questions and answers. Kim sampadyam manujaihi. Sampadyam means to be earned. So to be earned. Meticulously, efforts have to be put to earn. Kim sampadyam manujaihi. He lists 5 things. Vidya vittam balam yashah punyam. Vidya vittam balam yashah punyam. In fact, there is a well-known Subhashita which actually sort of lists this in the same order. Indirectly something, directly something. So, Vidya dadati vinayam, vinayadhyati patratam, patratvat dhanamapnoti, dhanat dharmaha tatas sukham. Understand? So, if you look at the list here, Sukham is an effect of punya. Vidya balam yashah punyam kim sampadyam manujaihi. Vidya vittam balam yashah punyam. So Vidya is to be gained. So Vidya. So Vidya basically gives you Vinaya. So Vinaya basically gives you Patratvam. Patratvam means respectability in society. So the respectability in society, that is same as Yashaha. So Vinayam itself is Bala. Patratvat dhanam apnoti. Vittam automatically comes. Patratvat dhanam apnoti. Dhanat dharmaha. So you do that. So dharmaha, so if you are, that itself is great source of strength for you. Dhana dharmam tatas sukham. So it sort of lists. In fact, what is this Vidya is another beautiful verse. I remember long back when I was in school days. So one Sanskrit competition, essay competition or something like that. So then I was told this verse, which is Vidya nama narasya roopamadhikam prachanna guptam dhanam Vidya bhogakari yashas sukhakari Vidya gurunam guruhu Vidya bandhujano videshagamani Vidya paradevata Vidya rajasu pujyate natu dhanam Vidya vihina pashuhu. So Vidya, so once you get Vidya, all other things follow. So that is what we saw in the other verse. So what is this Vidya? It is a beautiful description. Vidya nama narasya rupam adhikam. Narasya rupam adhikam means, so it enhances the personality. You should not understand that he will become more beautiful as he said. Vidya nama narasya rupam adhikam prachanna guptam dhanam. So it cannot be snatched away by anybody. Prachanna guptam dhanam Vidya bhogakari yashas sukhakari. He is listing that. Yashaha sukham Vidya bhogakari yashas sukhakari Vidya gurunam guruhu. It's a beautiful usage. See, the gurutvam of a guru is essentially because of Vidya. Vidya gurunam guruhu. Whatever you learn from the other. Vidya gurunam guruhu. Vidya bandhujano videshagamani. So when you go out, so if you have this knowledge, that itself is bandhujana. It's like kin. So you don't feel isolated. Okay. So even when you are isolated, you don't feel isolated. Vidya bandhujano videshagamani Vidya paradevata Vidya rajasu pujyate natu dhanam. Therefore, vidya vihina pasuhu. In fact, that is what Niruvadar again. கண்ணுடையர் என்பர் கற்றோர் முகத்திரண்டு பெண்ணுடையர் என்பர் கல்லாதவர். திருவள்ளுவர். கண்ணுடையர் என்பர் கற்றோர். கற்றோர் vidya, most important. So that is what it is. Then sarvaguna vinashi. Sarvaguna vinashi kaha. What actually almost kills all the virtues that you have. Even if you possess virtues, so what if you possess will kill all the virtues. Sarvaguna vinashi. Lobhaha. Shatrushtakaha kamaha. In fact, these two are together said along with krodha, right? In Bhagavad Gita,
Arishat.
no, not Arishat. Trividham narakasyedam varam nashanamatmanaha kamah krodhastatha lobhaha tasmadetat-trayam tyajet. In fact, lobhaha and kamaha is listed. Kasarvaguna vinashi lobhaha. So there, trividham narakasyedam dvaram. Three means to naraka. Dvaram, opening for naraka is threefold. Trividham narakasyedam dvaram. What does it do? Nashanamatmanaha. It finishes the person. Dvaram nashanamatmanaha kamah krodhastatha lobhaha tasmadetat-trayam tyajet. Yetayir vimuktah kaunteya kamodvarais tribhirnaraha dharayat. Kamodvarais tribhirnaraha. Kamodvara. In fact, that is how it is described. Kasarvaguna vinashi lobhaha shatrushtakaha kamaha. Read this. Kim sampadyam manujaihi vidyaviddham balam yashah punyam kasarvaguna vinashi lobhaha shatrushtakaha kamaha. Kachasabha pariharya.
Kachasabha pariharya. Kachasabha pariharya.
Hinaya vriddha sachivena.
Hinaya vriddha sachivena. Hinaya vriddha sachivena.
Iha putravahitasyan manujah kila. Iha putravahitasyan manujah kila. Iha putravahitasyan manujah kila. Rajasevayam.
Rajasevayam. Rajasevayam.
Kachasabha pariharya hinaya vriddha sachivena. Sabha is a place where people assemble. That is what is called Sabha. We call Vidvat Sabha. So Vidvat Sabha means an assembly of scholars. Where people have assembly. Sabha. So Raja Sabha, Vidvat Sabha. So Kacha Sabha Pariharya, which is the assembly which is to be avoided by Pariharya. Pariharya, in fact, it can be understood in two ways. One is, so you avoid. The other is, like Parihara means something wrong has happened, so it has to be rectified. Okay? So, Hinaya Vriddha Sachivena. Vriddha Sachivena. Vriddha means someone who is wise. Vriddha here could not be taken as so old people. So then it will be some old age home. See, but that is not what is meant. See, Vriddha here means Jnana Vriddha. Okay. So Jnanena Yaha Vriddha Sayeva Vriddha. Okay. So mere age. That is why we have Gunaf Pujasthanam Gunishu Nacha Lingam Nacha Vayaha. Uttar Ramacharita, he says, Gunaf Pujasthanam Gunishu Nacha Lingam Nacha Vayaha. Okay. So this Jnana Vriddha. So Sachivaha is Mantri. Okay. Sachivaha is so Mantri, minister. Okay. So Vriddha Sachivaha. We have this Dodhakam Ichchati. So there also, I think, see, Amatyam. Matihinam Amatyam is the usage. Okay. So that fellow has to be avoided. Matihinam Amatyam. So minister who does not have any common sense. Okay. So Matihinam Amatyam Maninga. Hinaya. Because ministers are people who are supposed to give directions for the entire nation to progress. So, Vriddha Sachivena means, so if he is not a wise person, then he cannot get the right direction. And therefore, people cannot take the right path. Therefore, the Pariharya means you have to understand. So, if you have to sort of be there, so you try to avoid is one meaning. But more important meaning is, so this has to be rectified over a period of time. Kacha Sabha Parihar Hinaya Vriddha Sachivena Sa Sabha Pariharya means by bringing in the right people. Kacha Sabha Pariharya Hinaya Vriddha Sachivena Iha Putra Vahitasyan Manujaktile. Avahitaha means very attentive, careful, cautious. So all of them are meant by the word. It is from Avadhana. Have you heard? So we have this art, no? Ashtavadhanam. That is there. Ashtavadhanam, Dashavadhanam, Satavadhanam. So means, so even if 8 things are performed, he is attentive to all of them. Okay? So that is what is called Ashtavadhana Kala. Okay? Somebody will be ringing the bell. So you will be thinking something else. Somebody will be singing some other song. Somebody will be quoting some other verse. So you have to listen to all of them and then say in dumps. So as you are deeply thinking and constructing some verse, somebody will tuck, he will do some 3 bells. So that count you have to keep on. So this is what is avadhana anyway. So kutra avahitasya means extremely cautious, attentive, aware of. Putra manujaha rajasevayam. Raja basically is king. And you should just understand, so the boss. Okay? Rajasevayam putra avahitasyati. Why? So there is a nice verse also for this. I have personally seen, and when I saw that, there is any small mistake, I mean, you can be questioned and really throttled and so on. This can happen, okay? Particularly in environments where the other person is holding all powers. So even if I go to some meetings, if some minister presides, so then there will be some people who will always say, yes, for you. Okay. So it may have some sense, sometimes may not have sense. But anyway, see that if you do not do, then there is a nice verse. So the Seva Dharma Paramadhanaha Yoginam Apyagamyaha. Seva Dharmaha Paramagahanaha Yoginam Apyagamyaha. So So the seva is something which is extremely difficult and cannot be even comprehended by yogis. So how to get the seva done so that the other person is really happy. So in that sense he says, Maunam mutaha pravachana patuhu Vatulo jalpako va Drishtah parshve vasati cha sada duratas chapragalbhaha Maunanmukaha. So if she asks something and we just keep quiet, are you a dumb fellow? Why are you not answering me? So he will ask you like that. Maunanmukaha pravachana patuhu. So if you give elaborate answer, then stop. Don't be a prattler. Pravachana patuhu vatulo jalpako va Drishtah parshve vasati cha. If he comes too close to you, then you will be described as impudent fellow. Duratas chapragalbhaha. If you remain at a distance, then you will be called a funk. Duratas chapragalbhaha. One more part. Duratas chapragalbhaha. Anyway, seva dharma paramagahanaha yogina. So that is what he means. Therefore, one has to be extremely careful. Iha kutra vahitasyan manujahile rajasevayam. Read. Kachasabha pariharya.
Iha kutra vahitasyan manujahile rajasevayam.
Pranadapi koramyaha. Kuladharma sadhu sangascha. Kasam rakshya kirtihi. Pativrata naija buddhischa. So kasam rakshya, there are three answers. Pranadapi koramyaha, there are two answers. Pranadapi koramyaha. Pranadapi koramyaha. Ramyaha, so this term can be understood in two ways. One is, see the word Rama itself, Ramayati, the one who pleases. Okay? Ko Ramyaha, when you say, so what is pleasing? Okay? Attractive and so on. Pranadapi ko Ramyaha. One is, Ramyaha means that it is attractive. That which should be made attractive. Okay? So in that sense also you can use the word Ramyaha. Okay? Pranadapi ko Ramyaha. Here it should be taken in the second sense. Okay? By nature it need not be, but you have to make it. Okay? Ramyaha karyaha. So that is how you need to understand. Pranadapi ko Ramyaha. Kuladharmaha sadhu sangascha. Kuladharmaha. So this is a very, very important message. See, Kuladharmaha sadhu sangascha. In fact, the entire Bhagavad Gita, if you look at, so the message that Krishna tries to deliver to Arjuna is, see, you have to fight. It is your Kuladharma. It may not be Tasmad Yudhasva Bharata. Here, Kuladharma. So, in order to actually establish Dharma, is the Kula Dharma of a Kshatriya. So here there is a violation of Dharma, and therefore even when you die, doesn't matter. Hatova prapsisi swargam jitva va bhokshyase mahi tasmad uttishta kaunteya yuddhaya krita nishchayaha. Okay, so that is the message. So it is Kula Dharma. Okay. That is why Vidura repeatedly tells Dhritarashtra also. There are certain dharmas which have to be considered far more important than one's own life. Okay? So, hatova prapsyasi swargam. So, even if you die, doesn't matter. Jitva va bhokshyate mahi. So, pranadapi kodharm koramyaha. In fact, that is why even we have this beautiful passage towards the end of the Upanishad. See, Dharmo Vishwasya Jagatah Pratishtha Loke Dharmishtam Praja Upasartanti Dharmena Papam Apandati Dharme Sarvam Pradeshchitam Tasmat Dharmam Paramam Vadanti. Dharmo Vishwasya Jagatah Pratishtha. Vishwasya and Jagatah, what is Jagat? So Vishwa is also world, Jagat is also world. Why does the word come twice? No. See, Vishwasya, actually, if you look at the Kosha, so when I was just recollecting this, sometimes I had doubt. So then when I refer to the Kosha, Vishwa basically means Sarva. Okay? So Sarvasya Jagataha, that's what it means. Not only this world, but for all worlds. So Vishwasya is to be understood as Sarvasya. Okay? Dharmo Vishwasya Jagatah Pratishtha. Okay? So that is why he is saying Pranadhati O Ramyaha Kuladharmaha. So the other aspect is Sadhu Sangascha. This anyway has been repeatedly stated. Okay? Sadhu Sangascha. That should be far more dear, okay, than your own life. Kuladharmaha Sadhu Sangascha Ka Samrakshya Kirtihi. Ka Samrakshya. Okay, that is the question. So Kirtihi Pativrata Naija Buddhishcha. Okay. So Kirtihi Pativrata Naija Buddhihi. Kirtihi is the fame that you have, the fame that you have acquired. See, Sambhavitasya cha kirtihi maranadatirichyate. Krishna says. So, Tam Sambhavitaha means you are already a well-established Veera. Akirtihi maranadatirichyate. Bhayadranadu paratam mamsyante tvam harathaha. Yeshanchatvam bahumato bhutva yasyasi laghavam. So they will start speaking slightingly of you. So therefore he says Kasam Rakshya Kirtihi. There is another thing. Kirtim palaya dukhite purudayam satam teshtitam. In this there is a verse. See, Kirtim palaya. Palaya. Kirtim palaya. So Kasam Rakshya Kirtihi Pativrata Sati Samrakshya. Okay? So it is extremely important that you try to, that is why this even our tradition, they don't even try to come out much. Okay? Pativrata Naija Buddhishcha. This is again most important. Naija Buddhihi means, so Samrakshya means to be protected. So you have to protect your buddhi, means anyway it is in protected form, but protected from bad thoughts invading it. Today we have no sadashva iva sarathe yastu vijnanavan bhavati samanaskah sada sitihi satutat padamapnoti yasmat bhuyo na jayate yastu vijnanavan bhavati amanaskah sada sitihi यस्य विज्ञानवान् भवति अमनस्कः सदा शुचिः
न स तत्पदमाप्नोति
संसारं चाधिगच्छति संसारमधिगच्छति you will land into trouble. That is why you have to protect your buddhi. Okay, samanaskaha means so buddhi is protected by you. So mind is under your control. So this is what means samanaskaha. Amanaskaha means mind is out of control. So samrakshya means keep the mind in your control. So that is what it means. Ka samrakshya kirtihi pativrata naija buddhiste. Okay, we'll stop here. Read this. Pranadapi koramyaha kuladharmas sadhu sangasya Kasam rakshya kirti pativrata nija buddhishya. Om sarve siknasantu sarve santu niramayaha sarve bhadrani pashyantu ma kaschit dukha bhavi. Om